how to delete your Twitter account. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and turn that bell icon on so you will be updated here in our channel. So let's go to our Twitter app. And after our Twitter has loaded, what we can do is go to our profile in the top left corner, click on that or tap on that, scroll a bit down or all the way down, go to settings and support, so that will be expanded, and go to settings and privacy. After that, in here, what you would choose is your account, so tap on that. So we want to deactivate or delete our account, so we have this deactivate account, so tap on that. And if you want to close or deactivate your account, if you are sure of it, you can tap on that deactivate account, which is colored red. Don't worry, but you can also recover your account if you have deactivated it accidentally. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.